Good morning, students. Today our topic is about the binary tree traverser, and we are going to see there are three methods that we have to follow in order to solve the question based on this topic. Okay, and every question paper you'll have one question for at least 3 to 4 marks based on this binary tree. So first you have to understand what is the tree. Last class we have seen that there is a tree that we form, and in that there are siblings. You have god, successor, preceders, and siblings and internal nodes, and the different types of things that we have learned in the previous class. If you see this, okay, the terms that is given here clearly. And the first type of traverser is a in order traverser. Okay, now you can see the thing that I have highlighted here. This is a formula, that is the left root and right. Okay, left root and right, this is our formula. The first thing what happens in this tree is the traverse the left node, means first we find the which is the left node, and then that left node, whatever the left node is, then it goes to the root node, and then it goes to the right node. Now next is your pre-order. Next type of traverser is a pre-order, that is first you go to the root, then you go to the left side of it, and then you go to the right side of it. And the third one is your post order. This is first you go to the left, and then root right, and then the root. So we will see exactly how the question is based on this, and you don't have to study the truth table. Truth table I'm telling is you don't have to study the algorithm based on this. You will not get any algorithm, so I'm not telling you that. Let me directly go on to the equation based on this. Now you can see this is a tree. Okay, this is a binary tree, and the question that is here, let me explain you that. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, now you can see there is an example that is given. Okay, what kind of question you get based on this topic. Now here there is a tree that is given here. You can see this is a tree structure is given below. Write the order of the traversing the node in the following schemes of a traversal. So you have to use three method. Okay, pre-order, in order, and post order. So I have just written it in the short that the pre-order formula is root, left side, right side. Okay, and the in order is left, root, right. Then post order is left, right, root. So this is the answer. Okay, how we get this answer? You can see that there are so many alphabets that is there. We are solving this thing using this tree. Okay, now what is the first one? Let us see nicely here. What is it? It is pre-order. Now pre-order means what is the root? What is the root here? A becomes what? Root. Okay, and then what is the rule? You have to go towards the left side. So what is there on the left side? That is B. Okay, then you have to go towards the what are the things that is present all the left side. Now what is it? A, B, and C. So this becomes what? Left side. So we are first we need to solve the left side. What are the things that is there on the left side? So first becomes the root, and then what is the left side of the root? We have got B, and what is that left side of the B? That is C. And now what you have to do is you have to now there is B is having other side. Okay, now we are going to move on to the right side. Now what is the right side? That is D. Okay, D, and then what is that? You have to go to the E and then F. Okay, now this is one side we have solved it. On the other side, now we will go on to the root to the right side. Now what is the right side? That is G, then comes your H, then comes your I. So this is how we solve it for the pre-order. What is the rule stating about the pre-order? First you have to go to root, then what is there on the left, then go to the left again, then go to the right, and then after that then only you go to the other side of the root. Okay, first you have to solve on the left side of the root first, and then go to the right side of the root. You have to remember this rule for the pre-order. In order, what do you mean by in order? Now what is the formula of the in order? That is L. L stands for the left side, root, and the right side. Now left side. Now you see here, okay, you see here in order, which is the leftmost thing that we have got? C. Okay, then we will move towards the up. What is that? B. Okay, because left side, it is telling about the left side. If you see the root is here, and what is there on the left side? We have got C, then go to the B, okay, then go to the D, then again what is it on the left side? That is F, then go to the E. Now you go to the right side of the root. Now next is what? Left side we have solved it. Next is what? Root. Now root, what is the root? A is the root. Now in this again you have to see that after that you have to see which is the left side. Left side is what? H. Okay, because you have a G here. G, now we are not going to write a G because we have to see root, and then what is the left side? Left is H, and then goes to the right, and then you will come back to the G. Okay, that is called as right side of the root. Then next is your post order. Now post order is what? The formula is left, right and root. Okay, left, right and root. Now what is the left? We have got C, okay, which is the leftmost. For E, which is the left side, E, F is the left side. Okay, so like that you have to see. So here we have got C, okay, C, then F, and then the root of F is what? E, okay, and then goes to what? D, and then go to the B, and again you will move on towards the next side. Now here for H we don't have any left side, then we have to go to the right side. So what is the right side of the H? That is I. Then H becomes root for the I. Okay, now there is only one root in the complete tree. Okay, there is only one root. This H for I, H becomes the parent, okay, and I becomes the leaf. So there is a sibling that is going on here. So left side we don't have, so we will go and check it out the right side. So what is the right side? I. Then comes your H, and then we go to the G, and then we go to the A, because if you see root is at the last, so A is the root of the complete tree. So this is about the tree structure. Now you have to practice this, because once if you see, you will not understand it. You have to really practice the formula. Using the formula you have to slowly solve this equation. Okay, you have to slowly solve this structure, because if you try to do you have to understand the formula and then solve it. So this is how we solve this tree structure, and I think so that's all about this chapter. Nothing else in it. I don't think so anything extra is there than to learn. So I think so that's all about this chapter. Next class we will see the other chapter, but for your unit test, let me tell you, your unit test portion will be chapter 13. Okay, your data structure unit test portion, you study the unit test portion from chapter 11, 12 and 13. Okay, or chapter 12 and 13 you study chapter 12 and 13 for your unit test. So please practice the program, practice the things that we have learned, and practice the data structure,